Okay, let's discuss the following exercise. Question number 1. What is the value of the digit 5 in 3.56? Okay, first we'll write the place value, unit, tenth, hundredth. So 5/10. You can write this one as a fraction as well as decimal. So 5/10. 5/10 we can write as a fraction, or you can write 5/10 as a decimal. The answer will be 0.5. So both ways you can write the answer. Next one. Write this as a decimal number. 3 plus 10 plus 300 plus 1/10. Right, before we write the answer, first we'll write the place value. Here unit, here tens, here hundredth, here tenth. Okay, we'll write here unit, tens, decimal place, after decimal the first number 10, next hundredth. Okay, 3 units, 10, 300, 1/10. Okay, the answer will be 13.13. 13.13. Okay, question number 3. Stefan is 1.4 meters tall. Yuri is 1.2 meters tall. How much taller is Stefan than Yuri? Right, so what you have to do here? The word then is here. So you have to find the difference. How to find the difference? By subtracting Stefan then Yuri. So Stefan is 1.4 meters tall. Yuri is 1.2 meters tall. To find the difference, we have to subtract. Subtract, 4 subtract 2, 0. So the difference is 0.2 meters. Right. Question number 4. What is the sum of 65.98 and 32.75? Sum. To find sum, we have to add. So let's add 65.98 plus 32.75. 8 plus 5, 13. 1 remains. 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 7, 17. 1 remains. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 6 plus 3, 9. 98.73. Okay. Next one. Find the difference between 54.31 and 46.76. Difference. To find the difference, you have to subtract. Okay, let's subtract 54.31 subtract 46.76. Okay, from 1 you cannot subtract by 6, so you have to borrow from here. Then here become 2, here become 11. From 11 subtract 6, it's 5. From 2 you cannot, you have to borrow from here. From 12 when you subtract 7 is 5. Okay, then here 3, from 3 you cannot subtract, you have to borrow from tens. Here 13, from 13 when you subtract 6, it's 7. Here 4 subtract 4, 0. So answer will be 7.55. Right. Question number 5. Calculate. Okay, 3 over 5 plus 4 over 5. Here common denominator, so easily we can add. So let's add 3 plus 5, 7. 5 you have to write. as a common denominator. So 7 over 5 is an improper fraction. You cannot keep the answer as an improper fraction. You have to convert into a mixed number. When you convert into a mixed number, for 7, 5, 2 over 5. You see, 5 times 1 is 5, 5 plus 2, 7. 7 over 5. The next one, 9 over 8 subtract 5 over 8 is a common denominator. So we'll write the denominator as 8. From 9, when you subtract 5, it's 4. Right, 4 over 8, you can simplify further. You can divide both by 2, then 1 over 2. Okay, next one, 4 over 5 subtract 3 over 10. Right, now here this time, it's not a common denominator. We have to make it as a common denominator. We can convert this 5, we can make it as 10. How can we make it as 10? By multiplying by 2. So we have to multiply the numerator and the denominator by the same number. 4 times 2, 8. 5 times 2, 10. 8 over 10, 3 over 10. Now we can subtract because it's a common denominator. Write the denominator as it is. From 8, when you subtract 3, it's 5. 5 over 10, you can simplify more as 1 over 2. Right. The last question. Anita spent one sixth of her money on a dress and 2/3 of her money on a coat. Find the fraction of her money did she spend all together. All together. What you have to do here? All together, you have to add. So let's add. Let's add 1 over 6 plus 2 over 3. So we'll make it into a common denominator. It's easy if we can make this 3, if we can make it 6. So how to make this 1 by 6? You have to multiply by 2. Then 1 over 6 plus 2 times 2, 4. 3 times 2, 6. Okay, now common denominators we can add 1 plus 4, 5, 5 over 6. The answer is 5 over 6.